आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पार्ट 2 इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स का। ठीक है। पेटेंट गिव द ऑनर द राइट टू विच इज मेक हिज इन्वेंशन, ठीक है, commercialize his invention or publish technical details of his invention, prevent others from making, selling and vending his invention. Hence all of these rights are given in the patent. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। ए पेटेंट्स कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस by on the unopposed acceptance of an application to the appropriate authority. Next question देखते हैं। After a patent completes its full term of 20 years, it which is the become public property and cannot be renewed. When are compulsory license granted in patent on the death of patentees on the declaration by the government for meeting the reasonable requirement of the public to at reasonable price on the expiry of the patent monopoly. Hence second and fourth is correct. Next, international application means an application for a patent made in accordance with which is the patent corporation treaty. Following person are entitled to apply her patents, which is the a person claiming to the first inventor of the invention. Second, a legal representative of the first inventor of the invention if he declared any person who is the assign of the first inventor of the invention, and all of the above is correct. Every application of patent shall be for invention only which is one. What cannot be patented in India, which is the a computer program, a scientific theory, mathematical method, hence all of the above. What can be patented under Patent Act 1970, which is the an invention? How many types of compulsory license are provided for under the Indian Patent Act, which is a one? Which section of the Patent Act 1970 deals with the falsification of entries in the register, which is section 190 of the Patent Act 1970. Section 25 of the Patent Act 1970 deals with this opposition to the patent. Which section of the Patent Act 1970 deals with the register of patent and particulars to the entered therein, which is the section 67 of the Patent Act 1970. Which section of the Patent Act 1970 deals with the definition of patent articles and patentees, hence section 82 of the Patent Act 1970. Every application of patent shall be one of the invention only and shall be filled in form 1 at an appropriate office on invention 1 application. Type of patent application permissible in India. Ordinary application such that an application which has been filled directly in the Indian Patent Office without claiming priority of any foreign application. Second, convection application claiming the priority of country which is the member to Paris Convention. PCT national phase application, divisional application such that a further application divided out of first mentioned patent application. Fifth statement, patent addition such that an application for patent is respect of any improvement in modification of the invention for which the patent application was already been filled or patent has been granted. Hence all the statement is correct. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। An application of patent shall be filed with the patent office have appropriate judice section or terrestrial judiciary section of patent office in the respect of patent application is decided based on type of the following. First statement, place of residence, domiciles or business of the applicant. First mention applicant in the case of joint applicant, or second statement, place from where an invention actually originated, address of service in India given by the applicant when the applicant has no place to business or domicile in India for an applicant. Hence all statements are true. As per section 77(1)(c) of the Act, Rule 126 of the Patent Rule, the controller has the power to the receive evidence or affidavit which shall be duly sworn in, which is the S. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। पेटेंट कैन बी रिवोक्ड by the controller for not working after the expiry of which is a 2 year from the date of grant of compulsory license. ISR is required for, which is required for international patent application. Indian Patent Office is considered as, which is ISA. An international application under the Patent Cooperation Treaty is published by World Intellectual Property of Organization. Claim of the patent specification should be, which is the definitive. Patent Cooperation Treaty is administered by, which is the World Intellectual Property Organization. International preliminary examination is optional feature of Patent Cooperation Treaty. A right to use in an patent infringement suit based with the, which is the patentee exclusive license, compulsory license, and all of the above. The grant of the patent under the Patent Act 1970 is subjected to a certain condition, which is the true. Patent can be revoked due to, which is the non-working of patent. Patent application in India can be filled by, which is the true and first inventor, a sign of the inventor, legal representative of the inventor, and all of the above. India follows, which is the first to file system. Mere admixture is, which is a not patentable in India. Method of treatment is, which is the not patentable in India. Invention can be considered patentable if it meets patentability of criteria, patent eligibility criteria, and both A and B is correct. As per Patent Act 1970, invention means, which is the new product and new process. First comprehensive patent legislation of independent India, which is a Patent Act 1970. Under Section 21 Patent Act 1970, the first examination report is to be replied within, which is the 6th month. A post-grant opposition under the Patent Act 1970 can be filed within 1 year from the date of publication of grant of patent. A post-grant opposition under the Patent Act 1970 can be affiliated by person interested. From Form 5 to the Patent Act 1970 used for declaration of inventorship. Under Section 84 Patent Act 1970, a compulsory license can be granted after, which is the current 3 year from the date of selling of patent. The central government can be acquire invention and patent by paying compensation. A suit for patent infringement to be filed in the, which is the district court. A wrongful use of word patent office lead to, which is the criminal offense. During search of an inventive step, period on can be, which is the combined. Patent can be searched from the USPTO website using, which is the quick search option and advanced search option, hence both A and B. Patent Corporation Treaty provides for, Patent Corporation Treaty allow a single uh, international application to field to seek patent protection to inventor is more than 150 countries. Patent Corporation Treaty provide for producer for stream streamlining the grant of patent in different nations. Hence A is correct. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Section 107A Patent Act 1970 provide the defense of, which is a polar exception parallel importance. Provisional application can be, which is a post-dated and withdrawn. Complete specification contains title, field of invention, detailed description. Friend is an acronym for, which is the fair, responsible, and non-discriminatory. Unity of invention referred to, which is a single patent for a single invention tied together by single inventive concept. Search for novelty include, which is the search of patent literature, search for use, search for non-patent published literature. Patent Corporation Treaty does not deal with, which is the national phase. ISR stand for International Research Report. ISA stand for International Research Authority. Selection patent can be filed for, which is a pharmaceutical invention. INID stand for acronyms for, which is an internationally agreed number for identification of bibliographic data. Form 25 under the Patent Act 1970 used for, which is a request for filing patent application abroad. To fill a patent application in India, it is required to fill Form 1, Form 2, Form 5. Marcos claim is used for, which is used for pharmaceutical patent. Title of the invention should be, which is used for clear and precise. Patent specification should fulfill significantly describe the invention. Provisional patent specification contains title of invention, background of invention, abstract of invention. Amendment of patent application can be allowed by the, which is the High Court and controller of the patent and design and trademark. Novelty means, which is the non-period act and no period disclosure. India follows mixed novelty. Software is patentable in India, yes, in special case. ठीक है, सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए स्पेशल केस. From dash is to be filled by seeking early publication of the patent application, which is 9. Form 9. Patent application in India can be opposed during, which is the pre-grant opposition and post-grant opposition. Patent rights in India can be revoked due to, which is for novelty not working government purpose. Compulsory licensing can be granted due to, which is for denial of license by patent and increase of price of patented drug, hence both A and B. IMR referred to, which is exclusive marketing rights. Patent rights can be revoked by the, which is for controller of patent and design, government, high court, hence all of the above. The Patent Act 1970 provides that the patent specification can be, which is for provisional specification, complete specification. Priority of the patent claim help the preserve the, which is for novelty and inventive step. The Patent Act 1970 provides that a complete specification should be filled within dash of the filing of provisional patent specification 12 months. The statement of working of the invention is to filled with the controller in Form 27. Provisional application can be filled if the invention is not complete. Incentive step must be relating to the invention involving technical advancement and economic significance. In India, patent offices are situated at, which is at Kolkata and Mumbai. In application of restoration of patent may be filled within 18 months. Rectification of the register of patent can be done by the, correct answer is the High Court. Proceeding before the controller of patent are, which is the quasi-judicial. Two players under the Patent Corporation Treaty are national phase and international phase. Full form of IBWIPBO is, which is the International Bureau. Full form of EPO, which is European Patent Office. The essential features of copyright are creation of statute, multiple rights. The work must be original. Copyright exists in expression of idea and not the idea itself. Hence, A, B, C are correct. Which of the following is not subject matter of the copyright protection, which is an invention? Copyright registry is located at, which is the Delhi. As per the Copyright Act 1957, the term of the broadcaster represent right, which is 25 years. As per the Copyright Act 1957, following is not correct regarding term of copyright. Hence, term start and publication during the life of publisher only up to 10 years. Which of the following are right of honor of the copyright? Multiple statutory rights, right to transfer, negative right, moral right. ठीक है, choose the correct answer from the position below, which is A, B, C, D. Hence all the statement is correct. Miss Lekha was written an original story. What type of intellectual property give her the right to decide who can make the sell copies of her work? This is a copyright. Mr. Poet create a new poem. He performed that poem for the first time 21st August 2000. He published his poem 2nd January 2012. In the meeting on 4th February 2030 will be he discuss his plan for IPR protection of his work under Copyright Act while on his way in perform the poem on 20th time. Mr. Poet did on 31st December 2012. How long copyright of his work will be protected? During lifetime of Mr. Poet plus 60 years beginning 1st January of 2023. Meaning of copyright is given under which section? Copyright Act 1957, which is a section 14. Which of the following is not a creative common license which user can choose in applying when publishing their work, which is a copyright infringements? Super Castles Industry Limited, V. Myers Page License 2011 is leading case on the Copyright Act 1957, dealing with the which section of the act, which is a section 51. Provision under Copyright Act is given as under section 52. We deal with provisional relating to account and audit. Section 53A deals with the resale share rights in original copies. Section 52 deals with importance of the infringing copies. Section 53 deals with the certain acts not to be in infringements of copyright. Hence, 1 and 2 is correct. Resale share rights in the original copies under Section 53A of Copyright Act 1957 is not applicable to cinematography film. Following provisions are inserted to the Copyright Act 1957 by amendment on several occasions. Arrange the provision in chronological order as per date of its amendment. Section 31B, compulsory license for benefits of disabled. Section 42A, power to restrict right of the foreign or broadcasting organization and performance. Section 53A, resale share right in the original copy. Section 28, a term of copyright in work of public undertaking, hence DCB and A. Under the Copyright Act 1957, broadcast reproduce rights shall subsist for period of which is for 25 years. The modern copyright law first began in England with the enactment of which is for Statute of Anne 1710, whose the author is in relation to the kinematograph film as per the Copyright Act 1957, which is a producer. Which of the following is true about the acquisition of copyright? Which is true is acquisition of copyright is automatic and does not require any formalities. In which case it has held by district high court that make the distribution of course back to student does not amount to copyright infringement as long as it for the purpose of educational instruction, which is a Amarnath Sehgal versus Union of India. Which provision of Copyright Act 1957 deal with the grant of Statutory license for cover version of sound recording, which is section 31C. The maximum term of imprisonment for infringement of copyright is mandate under the Copyright Act 1957 is 3 years, which Common license lets other reuse the work for any purpose, including commercially. However, it cannot be shared with others in adopted form. The credit must be provided by the original author. Hence, attribution node drivers CCBYND. Copyright Acts come into force on which is a 1957. Which of the following is the right of copyright owner, which is a publish their work and perform their work in public, translate and broadcast their work, prevent offer their making unauthorized use of copyrighted work and all of the above. Under Section 13 of the Copyright Act 1957, which of the following work is not exist, which is a literary work including computer program, tables and complication including compute literary database. Copyright is registered design. Okay, the registered design. So first, when a design is registered, the registry proprietor for design shall, subject to the provision of this act, has copyright in the design during 10 years from the design date of registration. Second, if before the expiration of the said 10 years, application of the extension of the period as copyright is made to the controller in the prescribed manner, the controller shall, or payment of the prescribed fee, extend the period of copyright of a second period of the 5 years from the expiration of the original period of 10 years. Hence, both statement A and B is true. How long does intellectual property last after the death of the author, which is 60 years? Which of the following can you copyright, which is a chromeographic work? Copyright law applies to form the expression contained in song lyrics and musical composition, spiritual and painting, dramatic and literacy work, and all of the above. One of the following cannot be protected by copyright, which is a novel process. Which of the following IPR is not territorial in nature? Correct answer is copyright. X was written an article and wished to send it for an online essay competition. How could we copyright it? It is already protected by copyright law once he was written it. If the owner of a design capable for registration does not register the design, which is the copyright protection exists till article on which design is applied is reproduced 50 times. Which of the following is not covered by copyright, which is a right to share and discuss? Who is the first owner of copyright for a music album? Composer of music album. Which of the following are protected by copyright, which is the expression? Who is the first of a copyright in the work created by an employee in his employment, which is employer? Which of the following qualifies as use respect of a work of copyright? None of the above. Factors in determining whether a use of a copyrighted work is a fair use exclude which an availability of work used. Fair use is which is right to copy without permission of personal use. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. What is the meaning of copyright 2003-2005, which means the dates on which work are created and or modified? Which of the following is an infringement of the copyrights? Which is the making multiple copies of software having purchased multiple user license? How many copies of work are required to be submitted for the registration of copyright? 3 copies. The term of copyright is published literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic work is which is a 60 year following the year in which the author dies. Which of the following is considered to be an infringement of copy, which is a performance for entertainment purpose without consent of the author or owner? Copyright exists in which of the following work, which is the cinematography, film, books, sound recording, photographies, hence all of the above. From when are the copyright confirmed and the author of the work, which is the when the work is created? How long does copyright last for cinematography, film, and sound recording? Is 60 years from the year of first publication. What happens when the term of copyright expires, which is the work may be copied without the permission of copyright owner? Register of the copyright appointed by, which is the appointed by central government. What is not eligible for copyright? Mere variation of typograph and ornamentation. Which section of Copyright Act recognized by the concept of joint authorship, which is section 2Z? Which of the following is not a fair use of copyright work, which is a use of commercial purpose? What is the punishment of copyright infringement, which is the imprisonment of 6 months to 3 years plus fine of the 50,000 to 2 lakh? In India, for copyright infringement, the Copyright Act 1957 provides the following remedies: administrative remedies, civil remedies, criminal remedies, and all of the above. Which section of Copyright Act cover performance right with section 38? The protect literary work, dramatic work, musical work, artistic work, cinematographic film, and sound recording, which is the Indian copyright law. The civil remedies are provided under the remedies provide including injunction, damage, and account of profit, which is the Chapter 12 of Copyright Act 1957. The author of work may dash all or any of the right compromised in the copyright in the work by giving notice in the prescribed from the registry of copyright or pay to public notice the thereupon such rights shall subject to be provision of subsection third case exists from the date of notice which है relinquish. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. The dash are provided under chapter 13 of the statute and remedies provided against copyright infringement include imprisonment up to 3 years along with the fine up to 2 lakh rupees, which is the criminal rate. The term publication under the Copyright Act 1957 remains making a work available to the public by issue of copies or by communicating. In India, the registration of copyright is dash as the registration of treated as very recordal of fact. The registration does not create or confer any new rights and not a prerequisite of initiating action against infringements, hence non-mandatory. Copyright of works of foreign nationals whose countries are member of convention countries to which India is stationary are protected against any infringement of their works in India through which is the International Copyright Order 1999. In the case of original literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic work, the duration of copyright is the lifetime of the author or artist and dash counted from the year following the death of the author, which is a 60 year. Copyright needed not be registered in India, which is true. As per Section 2C Copyright Act 1957, artistic work means which is a painting, a sculptural or drawing or an engraving or a photograph, whether or not any such work possesses artistic quality, a work of architecture, any other work of art, artistic craftsmanship, hence all of the above is correct. As per the Copyright Act 1957, author in the relation to the photograph means which is the person taking the photograph. The Copyright Act 2012 bestows moral rights on performance, which is true. Section 57 Copyright 1957 provide for moral rights, so right to paternity and right to integrity. Next, the broadcast produced right subsist of which is the until 25 year from the beginning of the calendar year next following the year in which the broadcast is made. The defense of merger of idea and expression of the associate which is the copyright. The doctrine of sense of fair is used as defense in which the copyright infringement suit. The abstraction filtration test is used for which is idea expression dichotomy. The performer's right subsist, which is the until 50 years from the beginning of the calendar year next following the year in which the performance is made. Rescale share rights are inter alia restricted to, which is for original manuscript of literacy or dramatic work or musical work. Copyright protect, which is for expression. Copyright protection is available for which original expression. Unpublished work cannot be protected by copyright, which is false. Copyright can only be bestowed of the owner by which is a virtual of creation of work. In India, copyright is a statutory right. The Berne Convention is related to copyright. In India, artistic work is protected for life of the author plus 60 years. As per the Copyright Act 1957, singer have a which is the related right. Next question देखते हैं. The Copyright Amendment Act 2012 insert a new section of compulsory license for the benefit of the disabled, hence true. Software comes under which is a literary work. Literary work can be protected in India for which is for life of the author plus 60 years. Dash is the considered the first owner of the copyright, which is the author. As per the UK copyright law, originally means input of which is for skill, labor, or judgment. And the following is the Copyright Society in India, which is a Indian Performing Rights Society. As per the US copyright law, originality means input of which is a modicum of creativity. An exclusive license can be filed a suit for infringement of copyright true. The following cannot be used as a defense in the suit for infringement of copyright, which is a central attack. Copyright protects, which is a literacy work, artistic work, musical work. The right to sue in case of copyright infringement based with the which is the both owner of the copyright and the exclusive license. The Copyright Amendment Act 2012 inserted protection measure for which is a both technological measure, right management information. Under Section 19 Copyright Act 1957, if the period of assignment is not started when it will the 5 year of the date of assignment, the dispute over assignment of copyright are to be referred to which is for commercial court. In India, song can be considered as musical and literacy work. Copyright mean which is for a right to copy, right to adopt, right to reproduce. Name of the person may be considered which is a none of the above. Copyright includes which is include both A and B, economic right and moral right. There is no copyright in idea, subject matter, themes, plot, historical and legendary facts was held in which is held in R.J. Nand V. Duplex Film 1978 V. SC 4SC 118. Titles can be protected by way of copyright which is a false. Assignment of copyright means which is a ownership of the work is transferred. Compulsory license in work withheld from the public can be granted by which is a commercial code. Any person may apply to the commercial code for a license to produce and publish a translation of a literacy or dramatic work in any language and after a period of 7 years from the first publication of the work. Industrial Design Act. What is the minimum term of protection that is to be given to industrial design under the TRIP agreement, which is 10 years? The first enactment governing design was modern India in year 1872. Once a design is registered, it can be protected for a period of dash year, which is for 10 years. When did the Design Act 2000 come into the force? Which is 1st March 2002. Which section of Design Act 2000 deal with certificate of resignation, which is for Section 9 of the Design Act 2000. Which section of Design Act 2000 deal with effects of disclosure on copyright? Section 16 of the Design Act 2000. Section 25 of the Design Act 2000 deals with which is the notice of trust not be entered in register. Application of certain provision of Act as patent to design is provided in section of Design Act 2000, which is a section 23 of Design Act 2000. Section 14 of the Design Act 2000 provides which is for certificate of registration. Which section of the Design Act deals with the power of controller to correct the crucial error, which is section 29 of the Design Act 2000. Section 12 of the Design Act 2000 deals with which is for restoration of lapsed design. Which section of the Design Act 2000 deals with the power of central government to make rules? Section 47 Design Act 2000. Section 10 of the Design Act 2000 deals with this registry of design. Design does not include mode of principle and construction. What protect the intellectual property created by designer, which is for trademarks. Design registration is confirmed for which is for aesthetic appeal. When did Design Act 2000 come into force, which is 11th May 2001. Which section of Design Act 2000 deals with the publication of particular registered design, which is section 7 Design Act 2000. Provision as to exhibition is provided in section dash of Design Act 2000 with section 21 of Design Act 2000. Section 16 Design Act 2000 provide which is notice for trust not be entered in registers. Industrial design protect which for aesthetic feature of an article. Industrial design means design applied by manual means or mechanical means. The international registration of design is governed by which is a Hague Convention. As per the Paris Convention 1983, the right of priority of design registration can be claimed within just 6 months. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से हम पार्ट 3 नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कवर करेंगे. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.